Hi, this is Sue Doyle from OT Lifestyle Solutions again. I want to talk a little bit tonight about choosing a grab bar. First of all, looking at how do you decide if you need one? Well, if you're feeling unsafe, if you're not feeling comfortable stepping in and out of the shower or the tub or getting up, if you've had a history of falls, or if your balance is deteriorating, your vision's deteriorating or changing, those are all good reasons to look at a grab bar. If you're using some kind of mobility device because of your balance or because of difficulty with mobility, again, these are other good reasons to look at a grab bar. And in fact, even for some of us, grab bars in certain situations just make sense and are really helpful. We're going to talk about design and we're going to talk about some of the examples as we go along, but I want you to think about some factors to keep in mind. First of all, where do you position them? Well, ADA makes some recommendations, but you know, ADA is like hospital socks. One size fits all fits nobody. You really want grab bars that are installed for the people who need them and the people in the home so that they're fit specifically for you. And that's where an occupational therapist comes in, being able to work with you to make those grab bars match exactly your needs. Now, then other factors you need to consider when you're looking at choosing grab bars. First of all, let's talk about size. That again is going to depend on where the grab bars are located and what you need them for. And so you can get them as short as 12 inches. You can get them as long as 36 inches. So it's really going to depend where they're positioned, what they look like. You can get grab bars now that are toilet paper holders. You can get grab bars now that circle around the shower controller. You can get grab bars now that are actually the sliding bar for a handheld shower. And we'll talk and show some examples of those as we do some of the other videos. So the length is going to really depend on where it's going and where you need it. One of the other things to think about is texturing. So a lot of grab bars can be slippery. In most of the situations where we're using grab bars involve water. And so what we really want to do is have a non-slip or textured surface on that. And we'll show some examples of that later on when we talk about how to choose a grab bar and comparing grab bars that we can get in Lowe's or Home Depot with some of those that we can get in specialty places and online. One of the other things to think about is diameter. Most standard grab bars are somewhere from 1¼ inches to 1½ inches. 1½ inches are the ones that you often see in the ADA bathrooms in a public place. Those are good if you have big hands and larger hands, if you have difficulty making a tight grasp, if you have smaller hands, or if you have some joint problems, the 1¼ inch may be better. So again, learning to know what is the size that you need and what fits you best. The other thing is, of course, the weight limit. There are some that are called assist bars. Those have a lower weight limit. There are some, and grab bars have a higher weight limit. They can range anywhere from 250 pounds for the grab assist bars up to 500 pounds, but they're also only as good as how they're installed and where they're installed. So again, thinking about the installation piece on that. One of the other things to keep in mind is color. And so they don't have to look like a hospital grab bar, like an institutional grab bar. There are all kinds of cool colors and shapes out there now. There are also all kinds of reasons for choosing some of those. So again, having your therapist work with you to know you. But if you have some vision issues, macular degeneration, cataracts, if you have a loved one who has dementia, then you are wanting to look at a contrasting color in that bathroom or in the setting next to the toilet, because you want those to stand out and you want them to see them and find them. So there's a lot of factors to keep in mind when you are choosing a grab bar. And we'll go on and look at some of those examples as we go through and look at things at Lowe's and Home Depot and look at what we can get online. So wait for the next video. Talk to you soon.